Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here, and today is day 4 of 30 days of sketches. It's actually day 5. I am a day behind, but the layout I'm doing today is for day 4 for 30 days of sketches, and the sketches by Shannon Keith. I'll pop it up on the screen now. She has 3 photos on this layout with some mixed media in the background, a big title, and some scattered star embellishments. Mine is going to be different. I have 2 photos which I'm actually sharing, so I have placeholders for the photos, and because the paper I'm using is just a standard scrapbook paper that doesn't really take a lot of mixed media well, as in watercoloring. I won't be doing like the watercolor this looks like watercolor in the background. I will be doing instead fake watercoloring look, which is this old stamp set by Stampin' Up, and this here is perfect to represent watercoloring when you don't actually want to do watercoloring. So that is what I'm going to do. Yeah, so I'm going to speed you up, come back at the end, and have a little chat about what I did. Enjoy! Okay, there is my completed page, and I love how that stamp did the mixed media for me. If you look closely, you can see that the way the ink is flowing, well, if it was mixed media, is a little bit wrong or weird, I guess, because it's flowing in different directions. Doesn't mean that you can't watercolor like that. It's just that you'd expect it to all be flowing in the one direction, but I don't think anyone is going to look closely enough to see that. It just looks like watercolor on the background, and I've achieved the effect that I was after, which is wonderful. And that is as close to the sketch as I think I'm going to get. I do have the embellishments, although, you know, this embellishment, I guess, on the title is sort of over here. I've got some down here, and then I do have one down here, and I just had an empty corner and I went, I have to put something up there. Now, you probably think, well, that's weird to have this heart, looks like a medical type heart, like the, you know, the heart monitors they have. That's because these photos are of a health medical slash thing, so that fits the photos perfectly. So anyway, that is my layout, and that is the sketch we are following for day 4. If you like this video, please give it the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. If you have any comments, please comment below. Thank you for watching, and until the next one, have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.